Hello, my friends. Jana is here. I'm certified Pilates instructor and stretch therapist. And today's workout is all about the legs, hips, and lower body. So if you want to feel a little bit more confident wearing shorts in the summer or the swimming suit, so this workout is definitely for you. We're going to do 10 repetitions for each exercise. So let's get started. Let's start standing. Open up your feet wider than the hips. Toes are slightly turned out. We're going to lower the hips down for the inhale and exhale. Lift up, pushing through the heels, squeezing into the glutes and inner thighs. Great warm up here, so try to keep your back nice and tall. Good. Tuck your tailbone slightly under on the lift to protect your lower back. Knees are tracking over the big toes. Good, let's hold it here. Do little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One more time. Pulses, pushing through the heels. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, come up. Good, and one more set. Pulse, little. Good, keep heavy through the heels, tall spine, and lift. So let's step on one side so you have space to move to the side into a side lunge. Good, feel that you're shifting your weight to the left foot, bending the knee and leaning back with your bum, hinging from the hips, right from the hip creases. Good. Draw those abs in and push off the ground with that left leg. Right leg staying nice and straight through the knee. Let's do the other side. So step to the right. Good. Transition your weight and push back with that right foot, squeezing a little bit more into your glute. Good. Leaning back, long spine, keep it neutral. Draw those abdominals in. Good, few more times. Good, last one. All right, so keep more space at the left side, and we're going to side lunge and step back into curtsy. Same foot, step back, keep slight turn out through the legs, so knees are pointing a little bit off to the sides, opening those hip joints. Good. You can keep your hands in the front in a prayer position. Side lunge and same foot, step back to the curtsy. Add 4 pulses and back into that side lunge. Curtsy 4, 3, 2, 1. Side lunge. Good. Keep nice tall spine. Press your hands together. And pulse 3, 2, 1. Side lunge. Good, so that right leg is doing a lot of stability work. Good, keeping your weight. Good, let's hold it here. Add a little rotation through the chest. Squeeze your hands and rotate the chest towards the right side, turning the shoulders. Squeeze your abdominals in. Good, pull the core in. Good, hips are staying nice and stable. Good, come up and let's do the other side. So we're stepping out, hinging the hips and curtsy. So right foot stepping out, right foot stepping back. Keep those knees slightly turned out. Good, and push off with that right foot. Push off, step back. So now your weight is more on the left side. So this is more stabilizing side. Good. Nice hinge from the hips, tall spine. Draw those abdominals in to support your back and stability. Let's add the pulses. 4 pulses. Step out, curtsy, and pulse. 3, 2, 1. Step out, hinge, and curtsy. Knees out. 3, 2, 1. Good, big step to the side, left leg staying straight, and pulse. 3, 2, 1. And again, good. Shift your weight. Pulse. 3, 2, 1. Good. A few more here. Good. Keep going. And curtsy. Good. Hold, and let's twist. Add the rotation from the chest. Draw those abs in. Squeeze your hands. Keep them in front of the chest. Hips are staying stable. Lots of power here. Slow movement. You should be feeling it in your legs, in your core. Good. Come up. And let's transition. Good. Let's warm up the hamstring. So big leg kick to the front. Try to keep the knee straight and again move it from the hip joint. Reach for the toes. Good. Opposite arm reaching across. Good. Just slight rotation through the chest. Hips are staying squared. Reach. Good. Big kick. Draw those abs in. Help your abs to lift the leg. And kick. Good. Let's add a little bit more hip mobility. Good. Step in. Circle around. Second position plie. Circle. Good. Open those knees. Big half circle from the hip. Good. Keep your core tight. Good. Stabilizing your spine. Circle. Drop those hips. Abs stay in. Good. Let's do it again. Good. Big push through the heels on the way up. Let's do the other side. Left leg. Half a circle. Don't lose your balance here. Half a circle. Hips down. Step in. Half a circle. Good. Nice drop through the hips. Keep the weight into your heels. Good. Use your power. Keep your abs in. Big step to the side as you're circling that leg. Okay, let's do a few more. Good, let's hold it here. Tall spine, little pulses. Good, rotate to the right. Pulse, open, 4 pulses straight. Turn the knee inwards, turn to the left, 4 pulses. Rotate from the hip, open those hips, pulse in the center, turn. Good, nice lunge. Turn to the center, 4 pulses, turn to the left. Alternating the sides. Good. Watch that you're rotating the legs from the hip. Good. Protecting your knees, protecting your ankles here. Good. Long back here. Good. Abs stay in. Good. Hold it. Hold it. Push those knees slightly more out. Squeeze your glutes. Good. Come up. And let's reset here. Let's do some more core activation and balance. So keep your hands in front and just march, lifting the knees. And as you lift the knee, you're pushing and resisting with your hands. So you feel your abdominals are pulling in, your core is activated. So really keep that tension when you press the knee into your hand. Let's turn lengthwise the mat and lift the knee, bring the hands down, clap them, and step back into a nice lunge. And big step to the back. Good. We can try to touch that right knee to the ground while keeping the front knee about 90 degrees. Good. Clap. Going a little bit faster here, so trying to keep most of your weight on the left side, stability side, and moving with the right leg. Good. Hold it here, pulse down again for 10, keeping the knee over your ankle. Abs are in. Good. Come up and let's do the other side. Clap. Under the left leg, lifting the knee, and big step, dropping the hips down. Good. Trying to touch the knee to the ground. Good. Pushing into the front heel on the left, keeping your core tight. Lift, big step back. You speed it up. Will be a little bit more challenging to keep the balance on the right side. Let's hold it here. Little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step in. We're gonna come kneeling, so keep the knees hip distance apart. Good, and let's step right leg, left. Keep your hips low, more of a squat position, and right knee down, left knee down. Up, up, keeping your feet hip distance apart. Good, abs in, bum stay behind. Lift, lift, nice squat, keep it low, keep it low. Up, up. Strong core here. Good. Down, down. So you should be feeling a lot in your quads. Let's do the left leg. So left leg starting. Left, right. Lowering the left knee down first. Left, right. You may find that one side feels a little bit different than the other. Not as much power. Good. That means you have one of your sides more dominant. Good. Keep your core in, hips stay low. Good. Come up and lift. Alright, let's power this up. Good. Nice. Squat down and lift on your tippy toes. Lift. Good. Push off the ground as if you're taking off. Hips down and back. Lift. Abs and strong hips, strong legs here. Up and lift. Good. As if you're preparing to jump. Good. And let's jump. Little hop. Squat. Really drop your bum down and back. Up. Good. Use that power in your legs. Power in your hips. Squeeze your glutes from behind. And lift. 10 squat jumps. Walk it out. Alright. Feels good? Let's cool down and step the right foot forward, big circle, reach down to your toes. Try to lean back with your bum, keeping the legs straight, feeling the stretch in the hamstrings and the calves. Good, keeping it nice and dynamic. Good, reach forward, hips back, arms forward. A few more here. Step in. Left side. Good. Really lengthening the backs of the legs. Good. Let's stretch the quads. So let's grab the foot or your ankle. Draw those abs in. Try to keep those knees closer together. Reach the opposite arm up. So if you have a challenge keeping your balance here, you can use some support of the wall or something to hold on to. Good, you want to squeeze that right glute. Think of pushing the hips forward, opening the front of the hip flexor and quad. Let's do the other side. Find your balance, grab your ankle or your foot. Good, keep the knee pointing down towards the floor and squeeze your left glute, pushing your hips a little bit more forward, opening the front of the leg. Good, keep breathing. Enjoy that stretch. You earned it. Good. Let's take a big inhale, reach up and soften your body. Reach up towards the sky and release. One more time, big inhale, exhale, side out. Good, and slowly roll through the spine and lift. Awesome work, you guys. And you can enjoy your day, enjoy your night, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next workout.